In the previous video, we already learned how to calculate total IP and subnet mask. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about network IP, broadcast IP, and IP range. But we will start with network and broadcast IP first. Okay, so what is network IP? Network IP is the first IP address in the network, and broadcast IP is the last IP address in the network. Never forget this, okay? So, network IP is the first IP, and broadcast IP is the last IP. Now, let's remember again about the numbers in IP address. I told you in the previous video that the number in IP address will be always between 0 to 255. So, the smallest number is 0, and the largest number is 255. There are impossible to have minus number in IP address, and also it is impossible to have number higher than 255 in the IP address. Let's say 256, 257, and others. That is impossible. The numbers will be always between 0 to 255. Okay, let's back to here. Remember that network IP is the first IP address, and the number in the IP address is started by 0. So the first IP address must be 0. Okay, now we have network IP. Let's find the broadcast IP. Remember that broadcast IP is the last IP address in the network. To calculate the broadcast IP, we need to pay attention at total IP. In this case, the total IP is 128. So the question is, 0 to what until the total is 128? The answer is 127. Because 0 until 127, the total is 128. Maybe some of you little confused here. Let's try another simple example. Let's say the total IP is 4. The first IP or network IP must be 0, right? And then, what is the broadcast IP? Here we can calculate 0 to what until the total IP is 4. Let's write it out. 0, 1, 2, and then 3. If you see here, the total is already 4. Let's say this is for computer 1, this is for computer 2, this is for computer 3, and this is for computer 4. So, 0 until 3 is already 4. Let's back to here. If the total IP 128, so the broadcast is 128 minus by 1, which is 127. This is same with this. 4 minus by 1 is 3. Okay, I hope you understand about how to calculate network IP and broadcast IP. But maybe you have a question. I said before that the numbers in the IP address is 0 until 255. But here, we only have until 127. Why? In this case, this is the calculation for the first block subnet. Or in the simple word, this is the calculation for the first room. How about the next block subnet or the next room? To calculate the next block subnet, we can add 0 by the total IP. So, 0 plus 128 is 128. This is for the second block subnet. To calculate next block subnet again, we can add this 128 by the total IP again. So 128 plus 128 is 256. But this is impossible, right? Because the numbers in IP address is only between 0 until 255. So if we have reached 256 like this, we can stop. Because this is impossible to have next block subnet. Okay, so here in the first block subnet or first room, the network is 0 and the broadcast is 127. In the second block subnet or second room, the network is 128 and the broadcast is 255. How we get 255? We get this from 256 minus by 1. This is same for 127. We can get this by 128 minus by 1. I think this is the easiest way to calculate network IP and broadcast IP. So first, we calculate the network IP for all block subnet. The network in the first block subnet must be 0. The network in the second block subnet is 0 plus by total IP, so we get 128. The network in the third block subnet is 128 plus by total IP again, so we get 256. And if we already reached 256 like this, we can stop. Now we already get network IP for all block subnet. For the broadcast IP, we can minus the next network IP by 1. Let's say for the first block subnet, the broadcast will be 128 minus by 1, which is 127. In the second block subnet, the broadcast will be 256 minus by 1, which is 255. Okay, I hope you now understand how to find network IP and broadcast IP. But if you're still confused, don't worry, try to rewatch this video. I believe if you watch this video 2 or 3 times, you will be understand. But if you already watched this video 2 or 3 times and still not understand, you can just continue to the next video. After watching next video, you can back to this video again, and I'm sure everything will be make sense. Okay, let's back here. So now for prefix /25, we have 2 block subnets or 2 rooms. In the first room, the network is 0 and the broadcast is 127. And in the second room, the network is 128 and the broadcast is 255. We can choose any block subnet to use, but in this case, I will use the first block subnet. Okay, I think enough for this video. In the next video, we are going to learn how to calculate the IP range. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.